Did you know that one man held absolute power over the entire Roman Empire, then shocked the world by simply walking away? In 88 BC, Lucius Cornelius Sulla did something no Roman general had ever dared. He marched his army straight to Rome itself, sparking a vicious civil war that would tear the Republic apart. When the dust settled, Sulla emerged as dictator with unlimited power over the Mediterranean's greatest empire. What followed was a reign of terror unlike anything Romans had ever seen. Sulla created death lists called prescriptions that made murder completely legal. Entire families were wiped out overnight. Their property was stolen. Thousands of Romans died, and Sulla reshaped society through pure violence and fear. He strengthened the Senate and crushed his enemies without mercy. But here's what nobody saw coming. In 79 BC, this man who could have ruled Rome forever made a decision that stunned everyone. He voluntarily gave up his dictatorship and retired to private life. Even Julius Caesar couldn't believe it. Why would someone abandon absolute power?